Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at the Apple Beats Flex. Coming in at £50 in the UK and $50 in the US. These are Apple's Beats Flex. So as you can see, 1,999,000 Vietnam dong. They've got 12-hour battery life, and they work for Apple and Android devices. A little bit of information on the back there, mostly in different languages, and it's a reasonably plain box. Right, let's open this up. It's got a little pull tab in black like Apple devices have. Opening that up. And let's have a look, see what we've got inside. Alright, so you've got another little piece of card here. Let's pull this out. Okay. Right, that's all there is in the box. Right, so on here you've got the volume up and down speaker, charging port, and when you put them together they pause the music from playing. Charging takes between 1 and 2 hours and will last up to 12 hours. So there we go. That's the. Let's have a look here. So we've got Type-C to Type-C charging cable, a nice short one. So if you've got a plug for an iPhone, you can use this. And the older iPhones, you'd have to have an adapter. So we've got some ear tips in here, small, medium, we've got a dual medium one there, and then large. So the standard medium will be already on the Beats Flex. So a nice selection of ear tips. We've got some documentation in here. Okay, a sticker, very Apple-like. And we've just got the standard booklets. And what's this one? Right, this one's just a pairing code if you want to use it with an Android phone or tablet, and it's got a little bit of information there for Apple users. Right, so let's take them out, see if they've got a little bit of charge, and have a look, see what we're getting. Right, so they're nicely fitted into this little package. Right, first off, the wire feels very, very thin between the headphones and the main neck strap. I'd like to have had a little bit more cable there, but I suppose that makes them lightweight. Taking off the ear tip, you can see it's just all plastic body, Beats logo. They snap together quite nicely with the magnets. And this is the neck part. Right, so this part here's got the volume up and down control, Beats logo, and underneath you've got the charging, Type-C charging connector. On the back we've got the play, pause and answer button, and then a microphone in the middle there. And this is the left side. So it's got a little L and R for left and right. And the volume up and down there. On the other part, this side has got the pairing button, pairing switch, and the power button, and it's got an R there for the right side. Now the one thing that I didn't like about these, if you have a larger neck, they do tend to be a little bit close to your neck, and so it can block out signal at times. I did find that in my use. Right, they pair almost immediately to the phone, to an iPhone. And so that's good. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Over 80% of my viewers are not subscribed, so please do, and see the newer content as it comes out. Right, I'm just going to play this. This is an 80s essential music songs. So you've got different songs by different artists. And I'm going to just play through that. Obviously I'm not going to play the music out loud because I'll be listening to it myself, and also for copyright reasons, but I will tell you my thoughts on it. Right, okay, so listening to Fleetwood Mac, everything sounds nice. The highs, the lows, the mids. The bass, for Beats, I thought the bass was going to be very powerful, but it's quite subdued, really. Let's try a different song. Okay. Yeah, the bass is there, but I wouldn't say that it's over bassy. It is quite a balanced sound. I'll be using these for a few weeks. Now, I didn't buy these particularly for music. I bought them for using with the computer when I'm listening to YouTube videos and things, so not always for music. Okay, I will say that the treble's a little bit harsh at times, depending on what you're listening to. Some tracks sound better than others, and this one doesn't sound too bad, but the treble is the most dominant part of these earphones at the moment. Okay, yeah, not. I don't think they've got a brilliant sound. They're better than AirPods, but I don't think they're as good as the AirPods Pro. But for £50, they're definitely worth picking up. So highs are clear, the mid-tones warm, the low tones are a little bit lacking, bass is okay. Battery life, a solid 10 to 12 hours, which is excellent, and they only take about an hour and 15 minutes to charge up fully. Right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.